A new study shows that the working poor in Singapore are not getting enough pay to make ends meet. The survey by the National University of Singapore seeks to examine Singaporeans' attitudes toward poverty. It also revealed that Singaporeans are willing to accept higher taxes if it means more help for the needy.
This is a nation known to be a haven for millionaires. So is there poverty in Singapore? Well, participants at this forum say yes, but perhaps not in the traditional sense, in a country with a relatively high employment rate. There are what's termed the working poor, people earning less than half of the average monthly income of a Singaporean, which now stands at about 3,000 Sing dollars.
Well, we do have a problem because we do have people who, a large number of households are earning, who are earning income in the lower end, are not having enough to cover their household expenditure, especially at the lower 20%.
The study released on Tuesday showed that nearly 70% of respondents said there are jobs available for aid recipients who want to work. But 85% said these jobs are not paying enough for them to support a family. Among the reasons, the fact that about 90% of the 1 million jobs created in the last decade are from the services sector, which observers say are lowly paid to begin with. About 60% of respondents said the government is not spending enough to help the poor. And about half said they are willing to pay more taxes to help the government raise social spending to help the disadvantaged.
I feel like then we have an opportunity that we can take hold of where the government can lead the rest of us and partner together to do more for the less fortunate.
Now, the issue of minimum wage again cropped up. Speakers argued their case for a minimum wage system in Singapore, saying that social transfers by the government alone is not enough. They said there needs to be a sustained effort for companies to pay workers here decent wages. And they add it goes beyond just waiting for productivity efforts to bear fruit, even as they agree that's one way to raise real wages in the long term.
So what comes first, is it? I don't think our efforts at increasing productivity have borne much fruit today because companies do not have to do it.
Singapore already has the Workfare Income Supplement scheme in which the government subsidizes the wages of a low-income worker. The study covered 383 Singaporeans across different income levels and ethnic groups.